Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to grant permission to our data for applications that are on our phone. Here we have our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, how to allow data access to our applications? So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for applications menu, here it is. And under three dots menu here, we have special access. When we go in here, we have usage data access. And in here, we can simply pick and choose what we want to have access to our data. No need to save, just back out, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.